Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to share with you one of my favourite recipes from our new cookbook, Air Fryer Easy Every Day, and that is how to make some delicious seafood crumble pots. The inspiration for them came about because I just love cooking the frozen fish seafood mixes in the air fryer. And what they do is they produce a little bit of liquid, and that liquid is perfect for mixing with a block of boursin and making a lovely creamy filling for little fish pies or fish crumbles as these are. They're also perfect for Christmas and feature in the latest Air Fryer Christmas magazine. So they're just a great all-rounder that you can cook at home in your air fryer. They also look a lot more fancy than what they are, and they're cooked in two different components which we'll be showing you how to do today. So let's talk ingredients that we use for these crumble pots. So like I said, it's in two components. You're talking the crumble topping and the seafood base. So for the crumble topping, it's really easy. Dried thyme, some parmesan, flour, oats and some butter, and we're also adding in some mustard as well. So it's a really simple mix. And then for the crumble filling, we have raw seafood pack. These are brilliant because you can cook them from frozen in the air fryer, and then afterwards you can add in some of your favourite cheese, make them all creamy, add in some white wine, add in some peas and a few other ingredients, and they come together perfectly. So what you can actually do is you can be making the crumble whilst the seafood base is actually cooking in the air fryer. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm just going to move the crumble ingredients to one side, and then we can start with the filling. Now, starters, foil trays are absolutely brilliant for cooking ingredients in the air fryer. In the cookbook we use a silicone dish. You can use the same, you can do whatever you want. You just want somewhere where the fish can cook, you can retain its juices so that you can use those juices towards the sauce, and then you can easily put them into your ramekins. And then of course we've got a few little ramekins so that you can put your filling in here, top it with your crumble, and then air fry. It's just a brilliant all-rounder. So, to get started, here's my seafood pack. They're a mixture of prawns, mussels and squid, but you can get a lot of different varieties, and you just want to put them like that, so that's how they'll go in your air fryer. And then once you've done that, salt, pepper, that pepper came out way too fast, and then lemon juice, and then give it a good mix. And then what you're looking for now, you're finding a spot in there where you can put your cheese. So you want your cheese to go soft in there with the fish. So just find a spot in there for it, that'll do. And then just spread it all out, and then it's ready for going on in the air fryer. So, air fryer basket open. And then in it goes. You're looking for 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, 10 minutes, and then press start. And now, in the meantime, we're going to make our crumble. So to make the crumble, flour, oats, butter. Our butter's quite soft, so I don't really need to do it in small chunks. And then some dried thyme. And then a little bit of mustard. And then you want to get your hands in and mix the fat into the other ingredient. So you want to keep mixing them. And then mix the bowl like that, shake it about, and it'll bring the bigger bits to the top. And then just keep mixing it until you've got a lovely crumble mix. And this is brilliant because you can be doing this while the air fryer is cooking your seafood for you. And then your crumble mix will look like this, and then you can put it to one side and then wait for your air fryer, and then when the air fryer beeps we can start mixing everything together and making them into little crumble pots. And we've beeped. So shall we check on our seafood? And look, that's how it looks right now. So you can see how much the cheese is melted. Just like I said, we've generated the liquid in the bottom, and the seafood is now cooked through, which is everything we wanted to happen. So we're now going to get the foil tray out, and we're going to start putting the sauce together. So foil tray out without burning yourself. And then moving it into view for you there. So, you know, like I say, you've got your liquid and you've got those kind of things going on. So next, add in the white wine, a bit more lemon, a little bit more mustard, a bit of salt, and then you can add in whichever seasonings you fancy. I'm just adding in some mixed herbs, but parsley and thyme are also delicious in this recipe. Then, if you're anything like me, you always have a bag of frozen peas on the go in the freezer. And then break some up into it as well. And the good thing is, they'll easily cook from frozen in here. And then get yourself your favourite spoon. I find a dessert spoon is perfect for this. And then just press down on the boursin and it'll make a lovely, lovely creamy texture. And then we're also going to add in some Philadelphia as well. Full tub of Philly. If you don't want to add in the Philly, you can just drain some of the liquid before you cook it in the air fryer. And then add in the Philly. And then this will help make it lovely and creamy and amazing. Or you can use 2 packs of boursin if you'd rather. But isn't it wonderful that you can do all of this in the foil tray? So now this is like a fish pie, but without the topping. So you're doing a similar thing here, and now you can start loading things into the ramekins. So now you've got all your mixture ready, you can start loading it up. I find a big spoon is great for this. And then grab your spoon. And then start pouring them into your ramekins. And then you can go back to them and refill them until you've done your 4. So for example, some more liquid in this one. And then keep doing that until they're all done. I'll just get rid of that spoon now. We don't need that one now. So that one's fine now. And more in that one. And then they're looking lovely. A bit more juice in that one there. And they're brilliant then. So now you've got your 4 ready to go, and you just need your crumble topping. So add your crumble topping to the tops of them. And then you can add some parmesan to these as well. I didn't bother this time. So then they're ready to go in the air fryer. So I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe. Everything to one side. Air fry basket open. And I like these because they're really, really deep. But it's very heavy. And then air fryer on, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of, we're going to go with 10 minutes, but I'm going to come back and check on them and then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeps. So, shall we check on our crumble pots? Are you ready? Oh wow, don't they look fantastic? I love it when it sizzles at the top. You know, it's the same goes with these sweet crumbles as well, when you get that little bit of blueberry that sneaks out. And these are just lovely like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a chance to cool down, and then I can show you what they're like on the inside. Giving them a chance to cool down a little bit. Let's get one out of the air fryer and I can show you what they're like. So this one looks like a nice one here in the corner. So let's move that out of the way. And then let's have a look, shall we? Oh wow, look at that. That is so nice. And that sauce is just so creamy and lovely. Seafood in the air fryer, seriously. I just think, no matter where you live in the world, there's always somewhere that they're selling these bags of frozen seafood. They're often different mixes. Like when we were in Portugal, it always had clams, mussels, squid and little prawns in. Whereas here we've got bigger sized prawns. But it's just a variety. Just go for the raw version, not the cooked. Raw, prepped. And then you can load it up. Or if you've just got a thing for prawns, you can just add frozen prawns in. You can add just frozen mussels in and so on. And it's just a brilliant one potter. And just look at how creamy that sauce is. It's just amazing. So what are you waiting for? Get your ramekins out and make some of these beautiful crumble pots. And don't forget to grab the Air Fryer Christmas magazine, because we're in it with this exact recipe. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.